What is up to the KK squad?
Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, this video was requested by subscribers. So I'm going to react to type 4 hair TikTok videos. Type 4 hair, type 4 curls, type 4 coils. Let's just get right into the video. Alright, let's see what we have over here.
This is for all the people who don't understand the amount of time and energy and natural hair gotta pour in.
The struggle is real. You almost there, sis. Keep going. Keep going. You almost there. You got it. Oh, that's cute. The baby. 45 minutes later. I can relate. I can relate. When I tell my co-workers how long it takes me to do a wash day and to style my hair, they're like, nah, that's crazy. But listen, I love my hair. No matter how long it takes me to do all these things, I love it. But yeah, the struggle is real. All right, let's see what else we have. Ooh, what's going on over here? Let's turn the volume up.
All right, everybody, it's a beautiful hair challenge. Let your hair down in 3, 2, 1. All right, everybody, it's a beautiful hair challenge. Let your hair down in 3, 2, 1.
Listen, our hair is amazing. Did you see that? Did you see that? The shrinkage is real and I love my shrinkage. Shrinkage only means that your hair is healthy. Your hair is healthy, girl. Don't feel bad about your shrinkage. All right, who's next?
Melt it on, watch me melt it on.
Them curls popping, girl. What else do we have here?
One thing I have realized, that if God don't do it, it just won't get done. It's gonna take a miracle from God.
So true. So true. Who can relate? Because I can. I can. All right. Let's see.
Today is the day. Today is wash day.
Wow. Her hair is beautiful. Wash day routine for longer and thicker hair.
Taking a little, and I'm just massaging my hair. Just a little bit on the scalp, that's all.
Wow.
What I'm using for today, just spray myself.
Goals. Hair goals. Massaged.
Today is the day. Today is wash day.
Girl, your hair is. Alright, see?
Just wait till I blow up! Put your hands in the air if you love it.
Woo!
Just wait!
Whoa, wait, I have to see that again.
Put
goodness, so beautiful. All right, this is one of my hair.
Check me out. Check me out.
I love her.
Bam. Bam. Bop. Bada bop boom.
Oh, yes, girl. Love it. Oh, I cut it off too soon. Let's see.
Us curly girls get this all the time. Oh my god, I wish I had curly hair. You can just like wake up and go. Wake up and who? What? Wake up and go. Alrighty, bye.
Never. I never
Us curly girls get
just
this.
wake up and go. What? Wake up and go? And go where? To the mirror? Yeah. Wake up and go to the mirror to get my hair done, because sis. Really? Really? That's funny.
Here's a new challenge for my black people with type 4 hair. If you think you have more shrinkage than I do, I definitely don't believe you, so duet this and prove me wrong. You see how it barely goes past my eyebrow?
That's a lot of shrinkage. Girl, you got some healthy
Here's
hair.
a new challenge for my black people with
That's a lot of shrinkage. That means your hair is healthy. That's it. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. All these type 4 hair. What's your hair type? I don't even want to see him, because he probably gonna say something that I don't want to hear, and I'm just gonna get mad. So positive vibes. I'm not even. Naturally curly hair tutorial. Oh, I'm not even gonna look at that either. No sir, no, don't.
Natural hair check. I need all my type 4 girls to drop a video using this audio showing off your type 4 kinks and curls.
Ooh, you're beautiful. Love it. Love it. Love it for you, girl. Love it for you. The shrinkage is real, but girl, love your shrinkage. Love it, love it, love it. Beautiful.
Oh, those puffs look so natural. Alright, I gotta find these puffs. Yeah, I need to find these puffs.
Until I get to that goal, that length, I gotta fake it till I make it. I gotta find those puffs. Alright, so okay squad, so that's it for this video. Just a little quick video. If you guys want me to do a part 2 to this video, you know, just hit me up in the comment section or on Instagram in my DM. Let me know. I love what I'm seeing. I love what I'm seeing, that us type 4 girls are embracing our hair, and it melts my heart. I love it. 5 years ago, no, I would be relaxing my hair, thinking, oh, straight hair is the best. Like, the straighter the hair, the better. I'm so glad I am not that person anymore. I love my hair. I wear my hair proud. I call my hair my crown. So yeah, I hope you guys are inspired to see that we are everywhere. We are embracing our hair, and you should do the same. Love your hair, love your skin. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to hit that thumbs up, make it blue. Please subscribe and let me know what you think. Like I said, talk to me. I love to talk to you guys in the comment section. I reply to every comment. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.